Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion for learning a musical instrument, our full 2025 guide. First up, let's create a new page on Notion. This will be your personal music learning workspace. Now, the reason we do this is to have a dedicated area where you can organize all your learning materials, track your progress, and plan your practice schedule. Next up, let's customize this page to meet your needs. Add sections for sheet music, practice log, learning resources, and goals. This helps us because it allows us to have all the important aspects of our music learning journey in one place. Now that we've done that, it's time to populate these sections with relevant content. For sheet music, you can add links to online music sheets or upload scanned copies of your own. This step is important because having the sheet music readily available helps streamline your practice sessions. In the practice log, document your daily practice. Write down what you practiced, how long, and any difficulties you faced. The reason we do this is to track your progress over time and identify areas where you need to put in more effort. In learning resources, add links to tutorial videos, articles, or online music theory lessons that you find useful. Let me explain why this matters. It provides you with easy access to learning materials, saving you time and helping you stay focused. Finally, in the goals section, list down your short-term and long-term goals. This could be learning a new piece, mastering a technique, or preparing for a recital. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Having clear goals keeps you motivated and gives you a sense of direction in your learning journey. And that's it. With those steps, you've created a comprehensive music learning workspace on Notion. It's a game changer, trust me. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, consistency is key in learning a musical instrument, and Notion is a fantastic tool to keep you organized and motivated. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.